Oi, oi. There's an echo in here today. I don't know where that's coming from. I'm gonna speak closer to the mic so I can cut some of that off. Anyway, have you ever been to a location and when you got there, the lighting is bad? I mean, harsh light, there's sun right above you, shadow under your model's eyes. I mean, the lighting is horrible. If you're a photographer or videographer, we've all been there in the summer, or if you live in a tropical place, there's always sun and the lighting can be horrible. Today, I'm gonna give you some tips on how to light your subject when there's bad lighting. What? Yes guys, like I said, today I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to light your subject when there's bad lighting outside. A way to do this is very simple. It is a very cheap solution. It will cost you around $20 I think on Amazon, and that is the 5-in-1 reflector. It has a black side, a silver side. You can open it up. It has a white side. There's a gold side, and there's a diffuser inside. Very good. Every photographer should have it. Or if you do just modeling for Instagram, I know a lot of Instagram models like to take pictures. So if you want to light your model, or if you're the model and you want somebody to light you very good up, or whatever, you know what I mean. If you're a model and you want good lighting on your photos on Instagram, this is a very good choice. Very good gear, product, whatever to have. The first way to light your subject is to use the sun as a rim light and your reflector as the main source of lighting to light your subject. Let your subject stand with his or her back to the sun and use a reflector to light your subject from the side or from the front. The best way to hold the reflector is to hold it up, because normally light shines downwards, so it is logical to hold your reflector up to shine or reflect the light of the sun down on your subject. If you can't afford this reflector, you can also use a windshield sun protector. I mean, it is not the best way to light your subject, but it is a cheap and creative way to do that. The second way to light your subject in harsh light conditions is to use the sun as the main light and your reflector for rim light. You can also use your reflector as bounce light. If the sun is right above your subject's head and you get like really dark shadows under the eyes, long shadows on the cheeks, you can use your reflector as bounce light. So you're gonna hold it down under your subject and bounce the light up. I normally don't use this kind of lighting, but I mean, if the sun is right above your subject, it is better sometimes, because if you hold the reflector up, you won't get as much light bouncing on your reflector onto your subject's face. So it's better to hold it down and bounce the light from beneath the subject onto his or her face. And ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, another way to light your subject is to use your diffuser. Now the sun is giving you harsh light already, so you might as well take advantage of the sun and use a diffuser. When you use a diffuser, you will get even light all across your subject's face. You can use a diffuser and a reflector to light your subject also. The diffuser to get even light all across the subject's face, and a diffuser to choose where you want the light to come from to get more depth in your subject's face. That's it guys, I hope you learned something new today. Just go out there, take advantage of bad lighting and start crushing these photos with bad lighting. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, those are in the description, and I'll see you guys next week in the next Tutorial Tuesday. Bye guys.